Today we'll be discussing the skin secrets of anti-aging skincare, where we'll see what are the facts over the fads. Hi, I'm Dr. Apratim Goel, and today you're watching me on Tricks of the Trade. Over my last 20 years of practice, I have dealt with many celebrities from Bollywood and also from the television industry. What is the right age to start anti-aging skincare? Well, in your 20s or even earlier, you can start developing under-eye dark circles. And of course, as you grow older, you can also have problems like pigmentation, blemishes, starting of fine lines and wrinkles. Whenever you develop these concerns, that is the time that you must start addressing them. So right from early 20s till late, you can have an anti-aging skincare. Are the morning products and the night products the same? Well, they are not, because the purpose of both the products is different. The morning products which we apply on the skin, the main purpose is to protect your skin. Protect your skin from moisture loss, protect your skin from the pollution, from the UV damage, from the visible light. Whereas the products which you use in the night, the main purpose is to repair the damage which has happened in the daytime and also to rebuild the collagen on the skin. So yes, the products are different. Well, retinoids are my favorite skincare product. And retinoids are age old. I think they were the beginning molecules which came into skincare. Retinols are harsh on the skin. They photosensitize your skin also, so of course by mistake you shouldn't use them in the daytime, because then when you go out in the sun they can have a rash on the face. So exfoliation of the skin is, according to me, the most important step in skincare. How do we exfoliate the skin? We can either do a mechanical exfoliation by using a scrub, which could be homemade or which could be a ready-made one. You could also exfoliate chemically by using chemical peels, and we also do like something called skin polishing or microdermabrasion, where we do a vacuum assisted exfoliation of the skin. Few important points to consider when you are exfoliating the skin by any means is: number one, never do exfoliation over an active acne. Number two is, whenever you've exfoliated the skin, remember to put some moisture on the skin immediately, because otherwise the skin tends to get very sensitive. And thirdly, when you are using chemical peels, then do not use the exfoliation, especially not a very harsh one. So men's skin is around 20% more thicker than the women's skin, and also there is the effect of the hormones on the skin. So for men, one important part of their skincare, which is much more important than women, is exfoliation. So men have to scrub. So if I would recommend a woman to use a scrub once a week, it would be thrice a week for men. So they have to remember that their skin has more sebaceous content, and that's why they have to exfoliate the skin more. I hope these tips were helpful to you, and I wish you all the best for your skincare journey.